Hello there. Use these tips to be a pro player in Jailbreak. Tip number 1. Go to gun store. Pick up a sword. Now click and hold. Voila, you can now run faster than other players. Tip number 2. Cops camping volcano base? Don't worry, just fly into volcano base through the volcano itself and surprise the camper. Tip number 4. Wait, is it 4 or 3? Anyways, just raft casino. Instead of walking all the way over the roof, just jump to the right and use parachute to glide to the front of casino. And you can even go back inside if you want to. Tip number 4. Seriously? Nope, that's not how it's done. To go to the roof of casino, you can drive slowly into the wall and then keep going and a bit of nitro and there you are. Tip number 5. Oh man, I wish I was at the museum. Wait, what? Going to museum? Short in time? Use this ramp and a bit of nitro and there you are. Tip number 7. Are there cops camping outside museum? You can drop your bag by pressing backspace on your keyboard and then beat the crap out of cops. Tip number 8. Do you know you can jump off of bank building to glide to the police headquarters and steal their helicopter?